All right, you need to listen to me. I'm very tired, but I'm about to tell you why you need to make videos on YouTube and how my videos have changed the lives of, it could be hundreds of thousands of people, tens of thousands of people for sure. This is not about me. I don't care about me. This is about mission and mandate and purpose. This is about you and your legacy and you being a wuss, and you need to fix it. I'm not trying to tell you what to do. I believe I have moral authority and proper standing and obligation and a duty to tell you this. I sound like a weirdo, right? Why would you even listen to me? I'm in a hotel in Nashville, Tennessee right now. Very, very tired. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning. And tomorrow morning is a mastermind event with some 7-figure business owners that I feel very privileged to be a part of. We're going to be talking about business. It's going to be amazing. And I knew I had to be here. Why is that important? Well, because it just occurred to me before making this video right now, this business event that's going to change my life tomorrow and the lives of others, which will echo off on and on and on. Look at that. I was pulling a power washer cord, trying to get it started. But anyways, this business event that will change the lives of countless people, like echoing off in the fabric of eternity. When a butterfly flaps his wings off the coast of Japan, people in Hawaii can feel it. You know what I'm saying? So this event, oh my God, I just realized that this event tomorrow that I'm attending would not even exist. It wouldn't even be happening if it wasn't for me taking out my cell phone 5 years ago off of a whim and shooting a video on my cell phone in front of Lowe's and making a quick 10-minute video giving tips on how to start a window cleaning business. What? Okay, just hear me out real quick. You have a due diligence, you have a duty, if you have a message inside of you that you want to make on videos, but you're afraid to take out the phone and make a video and upload it to YouTube because you're afraid of what people might think, you are a selfish bastard. And how dare you keep your gifts inside of you when they could literally be changing and saving people's lives and doubling down on your goodness and adding it into the world that will echo off into eternity even after you die. That's how powerful this is. And you're afraid what somebody's going to think of how you might look or what you might say. If your intentions are good and you've got a good message to share, you better start sharing it. I'm begging you, I'm imploring you. 5 years ago, I didn't have the time. I was very busy. Just like now, I'm very tired. I need to go to bed. But when you get that feeling, at least this is how it works for me, that you need to make a video, I obeyed the command. I took out my phone. Now I'm rushing. I have to get home. I got things to do. I'm working. I'm on a job site, and I'm in front of Lowe's. I said, I actually have an actual real window cleaning business, right? I took out my phone and I gave tips on how to start a window cleaning business. And I was very passionate in this video. It was a good video. It now has like 180,000 views. There was a guy named Bobby Walker who lived all the way in Florida, who the day before, I don't know who this guy is, he was working a corporate job. And he said to himself, if I ever lost my job, which I won't, what would I do if I lost my cushy corporate job? He goes, well, I don't know what I would do. Maybe I would start a window cleaning business. I think he saw some guys cleaning windows or something. He just thought of it. Literally, he said, I think it was 4 hours later, It might have been the next day, but I think it was 4 hours later, he literally got fired or let go from his job. They were downsizing or something. He turned on YouTube, he looked up how to start a window cleaning business, and my video popped up. He said he watched the video and a bunch of my other videos, and it changed his life. He went out and did everything that I said to do. And today he's got $1 million business. He plans on doing $1 million this year. He's started his own YouTube channel and his own podcast, Journey of a New Entrepreneur, and now he's touched thousands of people. He's come to live events and he's touched so many people's lives, and so have I. And he, a few years later, has put together this mastermind group that now I'm invited to be a part of. And all because 5 years ago. Now, he would have done it anyways, right? I'm not taking the credit for any of this. That's the thing that I'm getting at. If you watch the video long enough, you would understand this. If you're trapped in your ego, you might make the misperceive and think that I'm trying to take credit for this. I can't take credit for any of this. What I'm talking about is how powerful your cell phone is and how powerful you have a time machine. And I'll put that in a different video. You can clone yourself times 50. What if you had 50 of you while you're sleeping, while you're sick, while you're taking a dump? You could have 50 yous passionately out there broadcasting your message on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, Twitter, email. Dude, you just gotta do it. In a few months, I'm going to be the keynote speaker. And I'm speaking at a lot of events now. I've spoken all over the country. Companies fly me around the country and give me money to speak in front of audiences. And I'm a keynote speaker at a national event. Because I make YouTube videos with my phone. Now, I might make it sound like easy. I've made like thousands of these things. And there's a point where you get really comfortable. But dude, I'm just being authentic. There's parts of me, I don't normally talk about myself that much in my videos. It's not really my style. But I do want to say there's parts of me that I'm messed up, bro. I have all types of weird insecurities. I deflate. I go through these weird victim cycles. I cry, bitch, moan, and complain. I feel like I'm suffering and the world's closing down on me. And then I think I'm schizophrenic for thinking that way because I start beating myself up for thinking that way. And then it's like this secondary meta thing. It's fucking crazy. And then I pull out of it and I think I'm the man and I'm going to crush it. And then I'm like, no, I need to be humble. I'll be like, dude, I'm fucked up, bro. I'm just another person who's trying to be the best person I can be and make it in this world. And I'll say one thing, man. Vulnerability is the new credibility.